The fastest way to blow up your income is to speed it up. It's not what you invest in, but it's how fast you get your money back and put it to work again. Your principal, your interest, and the interest on top of that, all redeployed over and over. That's what creates the massive push that increases your income. Now, over the past 14 months, I grew my income from $50,000 to $100,000. And the truth is, it had nothing to do with how much money I made, but it had everything to do with how fast I moved the money. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 most important ways that you can level up your income. And if you put them together in one continuous loop, you can achieve similar or better results. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Anitra. I run a community where I teach people how to increase their income with the tools they already have. And so far, we combined for $2 million in income and counting. All right, the first major part to leveling up your income is solving where your money is parked. I call them vaults. A vault is simply a place where your money sits until you use it. And I promise you, when you change this, it will increase your income fairly quickly. Here's the truth. The number one reason you don't have the income you desire is because your cash is parked in the wrong vault, usually a checking account. Think about it. While your money sits there waiting, it's waiting for free. The good news is, there are 2 easy fixes that pay you while your money waits. The first one might sound cringy to some, but it's life insurance. Have you ever heard of a triple-double? Well, in basketball, that's when a player hits double digits in 3 categories in one game, like 35 points, 15 assists, and 11 rebounds. When a player does this consistently, his value goes up, resulting in him getting paid more. Parking your cash in a properly structured life insurance policy is kind of like a triple-double. First, the cash value grows and it's protected from market losses. Second, the growth is tax advantage. It compounds year after year without the IRS taking a cut. And when you access it the right way, through a policy loan, you keep it tax advantage. You're keeping what most people give away every season during tax time for free. Third, the borrow. You borrow against the cash value with a policy loan and put that money to work, maybe in an investment or an opportunity. Some use it for tax-free income. But here's the point. The original cash keeps growing the whole time. It's like you never touched it. Growth, tax advantage, the borrow, 3 parts, 1 policy, that's the triple-double. Now the second one is a double-double. This is when a player gets double digits in 2 categories, like 35 points and 11 rebounds. Not 3 like before, just 2, but still valuable. A brokerage account is your double-double. It doesn't do quite as much as the insurance policy, but it's much easier and faster to set up. This is where most people start. First, your cash stays invested and it keeps growing. And it stays liquid, meaning you can access it within hours. Second is the borrow. You borrow against the value using your securities as collateral, and you put that money to work while the original never leaves the account. Your money is producing income in 2 places at once. That's called arbitrage. And arbitrage is just a fancy word for earning more money on a spread. Now, these first 2 tips were just quick tips to get your money moving in the right direction, and that's vertical. Now, I'm gonna give you a lot more tactical tips about how to really get your income to take off. But before you can do anything else, you need to move your money from a checking account, which pays you absolutely nothing, to a vault that compounds uninterrupted. That's the solve before anything else. I don't know about you, but for me, I hate leaving money on the table. That's why I shifted my checking account to the brokerage account and an insurance policy. You can easily increase your income by making this one simple move. Okay, so the second part to increasing your income beyond the vault is to add velocity. Velocity of money is the measure of how quickly money circulates within a system. Now, this one is huge because it directly affects how fast your income can increase in a specific period of time. You could have a decent amount of money sitting in a vault right now, but if that money isn't making more money, then it really doesn't matter. And the frustrating part is a lot of people have their money sitting in insurance policies and brokerage accounts, but they stop right there. That money is not being used to bring in more income. They think they made a few smart money moves, but the truth is they're still struggling to increase income. To add velocity, just invest in short-term assets that return principal and interest. I call them fast cash assets. Now, to learn more about fast cash assets, check out my video, By Far the Fastest Way to Build Passive Income in 2026. I'll link it below. The shorter the investment, the larger the income and the lower the risk. Imagine investing in an asset that pays you principal and interest for 36 months. So every month for 36 months, you get $300. That's $3,600 per year for 3 years. I don't know about you, but $3,600 in a year isn't really a game changer for me. But what if you buy these assets 3 to 4 times a year? How would that change your life? So instead of 1, you get 4. You go from $3,600 per year for 36 months to $14,400 per year for 36 months. If you've been investing for a while or have been on this pursuit to increase your income, you're probably thinking, what kind of asset is this? And I'm getting to that part. But I need you to understand what is going on here so you can learn how to spot these assets for yourself. What's happening is the asset is giving you back your principal investment quick enough for you to buy another one in a super short period of time while producing large income spreads in that same period of time. In real estate, that principal investment is usually your down payment, and it's trapped in a property until you sell it or refi. And even when you refi, all you did was trade interest-free cash for cash with interest on it. Now, the banks are real savages for that one. But back to the what. These fast cash assets can be peer-to-peer lending, private money lending, or index funds as defined in our community. Now, before I go on to the last one, which I do think is the absolute best in this video, if you're trying to build an income system, and that's a priority for you this year, and you want real actionable steps, real-time feedback, a team of accountability partners, then join our free community. But if you want to unlock all the courses, tools, and resources, the premium and VIP tier is going to be the best option. I find that in order to grow your income to 6 and 7 figures quickly, like maybe 7 years or so, what you're missing is a proven passive income system that produces cash. We call it the income machine. We've codified everything we know into one space. No guessing, no trying to figure out what assets to use, when to invest, or how much leverage to use. It's all there. And you get access to me and Elridge every week. If you want $50,000 or better this exact same time next year, then click the link below. The last tip in the loop is my personal favorite. I call it strategic debt. And this is the nitrous to the entire loop. Because when you are building an income system, you really need 2 things to be true at the same time. You need a high cash-on-cash return, meaning your out-of-pocket cash is low, and you need the debt to be low. Most investors and savers, specifically when trying to increase their income, usually have one or the other, but rarely do they have both. They come to the table with less or zero cash out of pocket, but the debt is extremely high. Or the debt is super low, but the cash out of pocket is extremely high. That's the income chokehold. An income system that grows the fastest has both high cash-on-cash return and low debt. And this is not by accident. The way you grow your income with both high cash-on-cash return and low debt is based on how you structure the debt with these fast cash assets. And so that's what I'm going to go over right now. The 3 steps to structure the debt against the fast cash asset. But first, imagine this. Have you ever seen a fisherman cast a net, one wide cast, and he pulls up a ton of fish? Now imagine that net as strategic debt, one source of debt cast wide, capturing a lot of assets at once, while your own cash out of pocket stays low. Now here's how you structure it. Number 1, the debt has to be interest only. This can be a home equity line of credit, a personal line of credit, a policy loan, or a business line of credit. Number 2, determine how much you can contribute towards the line of credit paydown. This needs to be more than the minimum payment each month. Number 3, once you have that number, multiply it by 4 or 5 times. This is how much debt you should be using to buy the fast cash assets. Now you're probably thinking and asking yourself, why? because this is what we call properly structured strategic debt. Yeah, I know that was a mouthful. It minimizes risk, allows you to buy more, and increases your cash on cash return. Now, all three of these tactical pieces I just mentioned, uninterrupted compound, velocity of money, strategic debt, all combine together to create a vertical loop. And the thing is, it's not about earned income. They're all about stringing banking principles that you already do on an individual basis into one continuous loop. When you put them all together, your income will grow from $50,000 to $100,000 in 14 months, and from $100,000 to $150,000 in 12 months, and so on. The money grows bigger in shorter periods of time. All right, guys, this is all I have for this video. As a recap, we covered a ton of ground. I shared with you 6 tactical tips across 3 main points on the vertical loop that are absolute most important for blowing up your income. The first one was fixing your vault. That's probably the easiest one you can do right now. The second one was velocity of money, and the third one was strategic debt. Look, we are doing this in practice right now. This is how I know it will work for you. When you do this for yourself, you will increase your income so much faster than going out and earning an extra income. As always, I'm trying my absolute best to share things that you just don't get exposed to everywhere else. If you're an investor or a non-investor trying to increase your income, and that is a very big priority for you, this is hands down the best channel for you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the free courses and resources we have in our community. If you want the exact processes, tools, and resources to increase your income, the paid subscription is for you. The price will be going up pretty soon. Right now is the absolute best time to lock in the lowest cost for the lifetime of your membership. See you on the next one.